Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, today we're going to create this little video slider I've got here. You can grab your YouTube videos and add them to this little slider here. You can scroll through the various different ones. Have your thumbnails on the bottom if that's what you want to do. When you find the one that you want to watch, simply click on it. And you can play it in place, or of course there's the option to have it full screen if you want, and that's really easy to do. So let's stop that and let's do this. So first thing I'm going to do is enable the visual builder. Once loaded, let's go down to where we want to work and we'll delete this module. Okay, let's start from scratch. I'm going to hit the little plus icon to add a new module here. Divi is standard, comes with all of these modules. When you have WooCommerce installed, you also get another dozen or so to help sell your products. The one we want today is the video slider. And as you can see, it's popped up with the default Divi video in there. Let's get rid of that one. And we'll add one of our own. Just trash the one that's in there. Okay, and to add a video, just hit the add video button. This will work with a YouTube video and MP4. I would caution you though, if you're uploading MP4s directly to your site, it does put a bit of a strain on the server and may slow your site down a bit. So I tend to insert from URLs, which is a lot less stress on your site there. So I'm going to hit the insert from URL. I'm going to go over to YouTube and grab a video. Grab the video URL and pop it in there. And as you can see, our video's popped up. Simply hit insert into post. Okay, well, there's our little video right there. And as I say, you can add an MP4 if you want to, or a WebM, but I prefer the HTML option. Okay, well, let's save that and rinse and repeat. And I'll pause this and just add 3 or 4 more videos exactly the same way. Okay, well, I've added 3 or 4 more videos here, and as you can see, default settings are absolutely fine. You can sort of revolve from one to the other. And you can also do the same with the thumbnails down the bottom. Great, so let's have a look at our settings. Let's go down to elements. Well, I want to show arrows. Arrows are right here. I want to use that thumbnail track below, that's fine. If you prefer to just use dots, that's up to you entirely. But with the dots, they don't get to see those other videos down there. And I think it's more enticing just to have the thumbnails there. You can use an overlay if you want to, and that'll just sort of, when you hover over it, make that video darken out. Don't need any background because we've already got a dark background going on with our row there. It's no problem at all. Let's go over to our design tab, controls. There's the play icon. You can choose to give it another color if you want to. I'm happy with mine to be white. You can make it bigger or smaller by using the font size. It's pretty large right there, isn't it? But with that hover overlay, it makes it pretty obvious. And of course, you can choose your own overlay color. You can choose to have light or dark slider controls. Sizing wise, I really don't need to do anything to the sizing. If you want to make it less than 100% of the column width there that it's taking up, you can do that by sliding it down like that. And of course you can line it center, right, wherever you want it. But I'm happy for mine to take up 100% of the available space there. Spacing wise, I'm really not going to add any spacing. It's got a bit of padding around the row right there, and that's working for me spacing wise. Don't want a border or any box shadow. So I think we're in pretty good shape there. So let's save our changes and make sure this is going to work. Save the page changes. And exit the Visual Builder. And let's go down to our little video module. Make sure our video is going to play. Fantastic. Slide on to the next one. Great, that's working fine. Let's pause that. Make sure all our controls are working. Make sure we can select one of these from down at the bottom there. That works absolutely perfectly. So there you have it. There's how to make a little video YouTube slider using the Divi video slider module. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.